Okay, watch this. This is the same clip, but I'm not just editing myself in. I'm swapping myself into it. And then I'm turning it into a whole mini sequence with real camera cuts and sound. PixVerse v5.5 can generate multi-shot sequences from a single prompt. Like, it understands the story and it switches angles. And it can generate a full cinematic soundscape with dialogue plus ambience that matches the camera. And today I'm doing 4 cases you can copy with the exact prompts. Let's get started. Now, quick context. I'm using PixVerse, an AI video creation platform where you can generate videos, then use modify tools like swap to replace a subject realistically without complicated editing. Here's the plan. I'll show you the results first, then I'll break down why it worked, and I'll give you the copy-paste prompt. Also, tiny pro tip, using cut to the next scene in your prompt gives the output with like an actual edit. You're welcome. On the web version, I click modify. Then inside it, I choose swap. Upload the clip, select the subject, and upload what I want to swap in. Usually my face or a cutout. Done. Case study number 1, I step into a cinematic movie scene, noir sci-fi action, right? Case 1 is the instant wow, guys, wow. I put myself into a cinematic scene that already has strong lighting and composition, and I'm leaning on 2 v5.5 upgrades here. Multi-shot, it turns one idea into a sequence with angle switches. Audio, not just background music. Actual layered ambience and dialogue that changes with the shot. I like that. Okay, the thing that sells it is the lighting logic and the close-up stability, right? If your swap looks off, it's usually because the original clip has crazy motion blur or weird shadows. So pick a clean source clip first, right? That's my advice. Case study number 2. Dance next to a idol vibe performer, no real celebrity needed. Case 2 is for short form, right? It's basically what if I was in that performance clip. Now the trick here, you don't need to name a real celebrity. Just describe the vibe, stage lights, crowd energy, fast camera rip, and this is where camera movement matters. PixVerse has a camera feature with cinematic shot movements and varied compositions, so you can make it feel like it was actually filmed for social. Crazy, right? I know. Now, if you want to swap to look more believable, match angle plus distance. If the original is a medium shot, don't swap in a super zoom selfie. Use a similar framing. Got it? I know. It does look really good indeed. Case study number 3, pet prank. Pet becomes the star, but realistic motion, right? Pet content always wins, right? If it doesn't look cursed. v5.5 especially calls out more realistic animal motion, no more humanoid pets, so I kept the action simple and let the motion sell it. Example, my pet accidentally triggers a ridiculous chain reaction, then the camera cuts to a close-up reaction shot like a meme. Wow, wow guys, wow, this is crazy. This is the easiest way to make it look real. Give the pet one clear action, one clear reaction, then cut. The edit rate hides imperfection. I really love PixVerse.
Did you see that?
Case study number 4, mini product ad, fusion plus transition plus multi-shot. Now, case 4 is the brand level one, a mini product commercial, right? Here I combine a few tools. Fusion to blend multiple subjects into one cohesive scene. transition for smooth connecting motion, up to 7 frames, yep, 7 frames, multi-shot plus audio, so the whole thing feels like a real ad sequence, not a single looping clip. Insane, guys. See the results? Insane. If you never made ads before, this is cheat code, right? Write it like a storyboard, wide shot, close up, hero shot, then let the model fill in the hull, right? Also, PixVerse can autocomplete a narrative even from a short summary, so you don't always need an essay prompt. Truly stunning results. This is exactly what I was looking for from an AI. Thanks, PixVerse. Really awesome results. Let's do a quick feature tool, right? So yeah, swap is the viral entry point, but the real power is staking it with tools like camera transition, fusion, and the V5.5 audio plus multi-shot combo, right? And if you want extra polish, PixVerse also lists supporting tools like Restyle, Speech Extend that you can use to refine your outputs. Alright, comment which case was the best. Number 1, cinematic movie scene. Number 2, idol vibe dance. Number 3, the pet prank. Number 4, the product ad. And tell me what I should swap into next. Pick a genre, anime, gaming, sci-fi, sports, music, video, whatever you want. I will make the top comment next. This would be all, guys. Thanks for watching. The prompts are down in the description, as well the registration link. Check it out. Thank you for using my link. And if you need more support, you can comment down below. I will be reaching out to you and share with you my experience. I really like PixVerse, and I believe you will like it as well. So yeah, give it a try, and see you guys in my next AI tool recommendation. Peace out.